Okay, so right now this is the wall-mounted ultrasonic flow meter with a clamp-type flow sensor. And right now we have prepared a calibration flow meter pipeline for June 80, and we are going to test the ultrasonic flow meter. And right now you can see this is display the temperature data through the PT100 sensor. Okay, so now we open the cover and you can see the wiring terminals.
这是温度。
So the first row upside is for the temperature sensor wiring terminal.
对应的是这个供水管、供水管的
The left three equals to the water
这是界线
inlet,
图，这是界线图。
and the right three terminals are for the outside.
然后这两边对应的是上游探头和下游探头。
And this black wire and with the red cover is for the upper stream sensor wiring terminals, whereas the blue cover is for the downstream sensor wiring terminals.
这个是电源线，100到240伏之间的电源线。
And on the right side, the red, blue, yellow cables are for the AC 100 to 240 volts power supply wire. Okay, so now we close the terminal.
在安装探头之前，我们需要把管道的参数设置进去。
So before we install the flow sensors, we need to input some parameters to the flow meter.
这个是管道的外径，
So this is the outer diameter as what is being shown here,
然后这个是壁厚，
and this is the thickness.
这是内径，
This is the inner diameter,
管道的材质，
and we also need to choose the pipe material.
这是没有衬里，没有衬里，有没有衬里？
This is depend on if the pipeline is with a liner,
这是介质的类型，
and this is what liquid we are going to measure.
这个是探头的类型，探头型号在这里。
And this window shows for the sensors type, which you
这
can
个 TM 到
yes, and this is showing the TM-1, which is also showing on the sensors label. Okay.
这是 Z 把安装，
And
安装
this
方式
is the mounting method. Now we're choosing the V type.
这边有一个安装距离，
And you can see this is the distance between two transducers, which is between the two flow sensors.
下面我们就是按这个安装距离来安装探头。
And now we are going to use this distance to install the flow sensors.
首先就是在管道上面画出来一个6厘米的一根线，
We need to use a ruler to indicate for the distance on the pipeline.
6厘米。然后先固定一个上游探头，水是从这边往这边走的。
And now the flow direction is from right to left. So we are going to first install an
先
upstream
固
flow
定
sensor.
上游探头，上游探头。
You can see this is upstream.
在固定之前需要用这个耦合剂，如果没有耦合剂的话，就用黄油。
Okay, so before the installation, you need to use the coupling agent. If you don't have, you can use the industrial yellow butter. Okay, so this is the yellow oil between the transducer and the pipeline.
然后把这个换能器的表面涂抹均匀。
Then we flatten it and make it cover the sensor more flattened. And we press it tightly.
然后我用炸弹临时固定。
And we can use the belt to fix the sensor onto the pipeline. As you can see now, the transducer is fastened tightly on the pipeline surface.
然后安装下游喷头。
And next, we are going to install the downstream flow sensor.
还是先打
So
耦合
first,
剂。
stew the yellow oil. The yellow oil here is to help the sonic wave transfer from the sensor to the other sensor. So it helps the wave to flow around.
然后这个时候我们需要把这个界面调到信号的界面 M90。
And now we need to change the menu to Windows 90 and check for the signal quality.
装下游探头的时候，要看着这个信号质量 Q 值 Q。
When we install the downstream sensor, you need to focus on the value of the
使 Q 值变得
Okay, the Q value matters the most.
看一下 Q 值是多少。0，等一会儿。90。再看一会儿，叫谁打啊 ？Q 是谁打？你给我说，86。 87、93、95、92、91、94、84。这个位置可以。多少？93。啊？93、94。90。可以吗？可以了。等会你。那轻薄就可以了。好。90多，90以上就可以了。
188以上都可以了。
90以上非常好，70以上就可以了。
明白了。
这60以上就可以了。 80以上就合格了，90以上非常好。我要说一下。
Okay, so the Q value we need to be noted, and the signal quality if it's above 90, then it means the signal is quite good, and if the signal quality is above like 60 or 70, then it's good, but it can be better.
信号传输比在99%。 信号传输比越接近100%越好。
And this is the signal transmission ratio, and you can see this is nearly 100%. Then the nearer to the 100, the better the effect will be.
就是现在衡量安装质量2个值，一个这个信号传输比，一个是 Q 值。 用这两个值去衡量安装的质量。这两个值，这个值越接近100，另外一个值就是这两个值越接近100是就好了。
对。OK。
然后看一下流量，然后流量就出来了。
And now you can see we are having the flow readings.
流量就出来了，很稳定的一个流量。我得放个手，先暂停了吧。